As someone who owns a dog that I really, really love a lot, it is really important to me what we give him for snacks and also food. So I got this Super Science Organic Turkey dog treat. These are mini sticks. The brand did send me this in exchange for a fair and honest review. Really, really love this. These are great for training treats. They're great for just snack. They're grain free. There's no corn, wheat, soy, any of that kind of stuff. GMO free. This is what they look like individually. So you get a bunch of little sticks here. We have about a 20-pound Labradoodle. So this is perfect size for him. We're going to go see if he likes these, and he'll be the final judge and jury on these. All right, so he's going up to them. He sniffed them out. Here we go. Sit down. Here you go. That's usually his go-to move. If he really likes something, he will take it with him. So there you go. He really does like this. So thank you so much for the brand for sending this, and I can't wait to give him more of these.